Well, hey there, my friend. Welcome back to my channel this week. I am super excited to bring to you part 2 of my mini series on Christmas gifts in a jar. This time we're going to go over 5 jars that you can gift that are food related, and I think you're going to be really shocked at how simple and easy these are. So it doesn't matter if you can bake at all, I promise. So check it out. Let me know in the comments below which one is your absolute favorite, and I cannot wait to see what you think. Let's go. This first one is so simple. It is an apple cider recipe. It's literally just apple cider packets. That is the secret. You're just going to empty packets into a mason jar, add a cute tag with a bow, give some instructions like add the desired amount into 8 ounces of hot water into your favorite holiday mug, and cozy up to a good book. This is a great little gift in a jar. I absolutely love how simple it is. I ended up putting a jingle bell on top with a little bit of hot glue, and then I decided to add a simple festive ribbon with, of course, a really cute Dollar Tree tag, and then I just simply added the directions to the back of the tag. So you can do this with any jar. There are so many to choose from at Dollar Tree. In fact, every single thing that I made in this video came from Dollar Tree except for one jar, and it actually came from Target Dollar Spot, and I'll tell you which one it is. So this is the tag. They come in a set of 6 tags. They're so cute for the holidays. It is the right size for you to add the recipe either handwritten on the back, or you can do like me, cut it off of one of the packets and glue it onto the back of the tag. This is going to make someone feel so special. Just tell them you thought of them, and this is how it turned out. I cannot wait to see what you think of all of these ideas, my friend. I hope that you're inspired. I hope you see how doable these are and how budget friendly they are for Christmas. So this one I absolutely love. I'm calling this Christmas morning biscuits. So I know that it is just Pillsbury mix. You guys, it is just Pillsbury home style biscuit mix. And it is so simple. All you do is add a half a cup of milk to this. That's all they have to do. Now, this is going to be something that they can pull out when it's super hectic on Christmas morning and make Christmas morning feel and smell absolutely amazing with these Christmas morning biscuits. Now, I just tied a really cute plaid tartan ribbon onto this jar to make it up a little notch. And then I put some notches, speaking of notches, into the ribbon just to make it look cute. I did go ahead and add one of those Dollar Tree tags to it, and you can see I grabbed the blue one and I'm taking off the embellishment off of these, so the jute tag string as well as the little ribbon, because I'm not loving those, but you can always leave them on if you want. This is how this jar turned out. Again, the jar is from Dollar Tree as well. Super simple, super fun. I think it would make an amazing gift for any busy mama. Okay, so for the next jar, again, these are all from Dollar Tree. This one is Elf on the Shelf Funfetti cookies. So these are super simple recipe too. You can add 3 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon of water, and you have instant cookies. This is great for kids to make on Christmas night. I'm just patting it down with a spatula just to kind of make sure I can fill this jar all the way to the top. I ended up actually deciding that I mean, it comes with Funfetti sprinkles in it, but I wanted to go ahead and add a few more sprinkles to the top. So I just tamped the jar down and used the spatula to get it all in there before I added cute little sprinkles to the top for this gift in a jar. Of course, this part is totally optional. You do not have to add any sprinkles at all. The gift will still be super cute, super easy to make for your recipient. All right, that was it for this one. I did add a cute little jingle bell to the top, again with hot glue. You can get a package of these jingle bells at Dollar Tree, and this is all Dollar Tree ribbon as well. And then this little trinket, I guess I would call it a trinket. It's kind of like coffee tray decor piece that I added to this was actually from Target Dollar Spot. a year ago. So you can either make your own little extra embellishment, or again, those Dollar Tree tags can do the trick too. So I just tied this on with the ribbon and then snipped off the ribbon. How do you think this one turned out? You can see all the fun red and green Funfetti sprinkles in there. It says, I just want to bake cookies and drink hot cocoa. I think it's perfect for the holidays. Be sure to let me know below. All right, this is another Dollar Tree jar, and boom, we are using gingerbread mix. This one is one of my favorites, you guys. So this is for gingerbread cookies, and the recipe is the absolute same as it is for all of the cookies. It's 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of water. You can totally add this to a gift tag. Now, I am adding 2 packages here to fill up the jar to the top, but I ended up adding, well, I'm showing you, that was a sneak preview. I don't remember showing you that part ahead of time. So I'm going to add some of this brown sugar. Again, there was just a lot of room left in my jar after 2 packages. So I went ahead and added some brown sugar because no cookies have ever tasted bad with extra brown sugar. And then I added some walnuts. Again, this is super optional. This is just walnuts. They were also at the Dollar Tree. Yes, they have nuts. They have pecans and walnuts. And I added those to the top to kind of like zhuzh it up a little bit. And then I added the lid back, and then we're going to tie on Dollar Tree ribbon. I love this brown ribbon in the sheer with that gingerbread cookie cutter that I actually found. Oh my goodness. I think I found that. I found that out shopping somewhere, y'all. If I think of it, I'll link it here in the description. But this is how the gingerbread cookie jar turned out. So that is the jar that I found at the Target dollar spot. It's the cute little snowman jar. We're going to do some more Elf on the Shelf, but these are hot cocoa mix cookies. Now, these also are just 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of water. Such simple recipe. I absolutely love it. And we're going to dump an entire package in here. It ended up taking 2 packages to fill up the snowman jar, just like it did all of the others, which is perfect because it actually makes 2 batches of cookies. So your gift goes extra far. And again, I'm just tamping it down, shaking it down, getting it all in there so that we can get both packages of cookie mix in there. Once I did that, I decided to do some embellishments on this jar as well. So the first thing you're going to see me add to this jar is a couple of chocolate sprinkles to the top. Again, that is optional. You do not have to do that. I just wanted to make it a little extra special. Now, this is just red and white baker's twine. I'm just wrapping it around my fingers to create a tassel. We're going to give this little snowman a scarf. So I decided to tie it off with the other piece of twine. And then once I have it in place, I'm going to snip the hoop off at the bottom, and then I'm going to trim it to fit the scarf. So I know I covered a lot of it with my hands. I am so sorry. This was really hard to video on my kitchen counter. But yeah, see how it's uneven? I'm just going to trim it, like give it a haircut. And then there it was. And the glass jar was super cute, but I decided to go ahead and add eyes and the nose with the Sharpie. And I did paint the lid black to look like a snowman. So I just used some spray paint on that. But this is all 5 gifts in a jar, food related edition. In person, you guys, this was so easy, so fun. I would love to get any of these jars, but I would absolutely love to know which one is your favorite. We've got gingerbread, we've got Funfetti Elf on the Shelf, Christmas morning biscuits, I already said gingerbread, hot cocoa mix cookies, and hot apple cider mix. What do you think? Which is your favorite? If you like videos like these, I would love to invite you to watch some more here on my channel.